Hey guys, Paul G here. And I talk a lot about your 9 to 5 and you need to get out and be happy or whatever. I tell you what, in order to get out of any job, you need to figure out a new skill, right? I got a lot of big trucks that go by the house, so you'll hear them periodically. Anyway, I've learned and I can show you where you can learn a new skill for as cost of like a decent meal out on the town for a family of 3 even. And that new skill, as you hone it and get more comfortable with it, you'll make some money with it. And there's people out there making 5 and 6 figure incomes from that same skill. So guys, don't be unhappy. Find another skill. I'll tell you what, do me a favor, hit the like, hit the follow. That way some other people get to see this maybe. And in my bio, you're going to find 2 links. First link's going to give you a free book. It's called Science of Getting Rich. It's a head thing that you really need to read. It's only 88 pages. And the other one, just something that I'm doing. Look at it, see if you like it. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. Doesn't matter. Enjoy your life. Later. Bye.